National Weather Service in Phoenix has issued a flash flood warning for central Maricopa County in south central Arizona. This includes Youngtown, Waddell, Surprise, Sun City West, Sun City, Goodyear, El Mirage, Avondale, until 6:30 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. At 4:23 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, National Weather Service meteorologists detected very heavy rain that will cause flash flooding. Locations in the warning include but are not limited to White Tank Mountain Park, Glendale Sports Complex, Surprise Stadium, Camelback Ranch, Perryville, Luke Air Force Base, Litchfield Park, and Beardsley. A flash flood warning means that people along the banks of washes and creeks should move to higher ground immediately. Normally dry washes and streams will suddenly have running water and make unbridged crossings impassable. Streets, underpasses, and low spots will become inundated, making driving hazardous in the warned area. Most flood deaths occur in motorized vehicles. When encountering flooded roads, make the smart choice. Turn around, don't drown. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. Mountain Standard Time for the following county: Maricopa, Arizona. You are listening to NOAA Weather Radio,